Hi guys, welcome back to MathFeed. In this video, we'll learn how to solve single variable linear equations. So before moving to the problem, let's see the difference between expression and equation. In an expression, uh, there will not be any equal to sign, or we don't find any values, or we don't find any values for variables. But in equation, we'll have equal to symbol and we'll solve for a particular variable, either x, y, or and so on. So in an expression there are two sides. Let's take an example: ax equals to b. Ax is treated as left hand side, LHS, which is before equal to, and b is treated as RHS, which is after equal to. So whenever they ask to solve linear equations or any kind of equation, we need to solve for that particular variable. Like we need to find value of that particular variable. So we need to make the equation in such a way that we will get the value of x. Here you can see 9x equals to 63, but we need the value of x. To get the value of x, we need to make this 9x as x. So how can we do that? So in equations there is a rule called balancing rule. So let's take ax equals to b. Whatever operation we perform on left hand side, we need to perform same operation on right hand side. So that the equation remains balanced. So here to get the value of x, we need to divide by 9. 9x by 9 equals to 63 by 9. It becomes 9 ones 9, 9 7 63. X equals to 7. So we solved the linear equation. X equal to 7 is the value for this equation. So now let's move on to the next problem. Minus 7x equals to 42. You can see the minus sign, but the process remains same. Now we need to make this as, we need to find value for x. So we need to somehow uh, eliminate this minus 7. So what we do is we divide minus 7x by minus 7. Since we are performing minus 7, I mean division on left hand side, we need to perform on right hand side also. Minus 7 into 1 equals to minus 7. Minus 7 into 6 equals to 42, which gives x equals to 42. Now let's move to the third problem. 32y minus 45 equals to 19. Now we need value for y. So can we directly divide this equation by 32? No, because we have a constant present here. First we need to remove or eliminate this constant. So to remove or eliminate minus 45, what we can do is we can add a left hand side of by 45. Since we are adding on left hand side, we need to add on right hand side also because of balancing rule. So minus 45 plus 45 0. 32y equals to 19 plus 45 is 64. So now you can see that constant is eliminated. Now only variable and coefficient is present. Now we can divide by 32. So 32y by 32 equals to 64 by 32. 32 ones 32, 32 2 64. Y equal to 2. you can take a D question as homework, and you can comment any doubts, and if you can solve this problem you can comment answer. Thank you.